Okay. Not the fucking say.
Fire weather, critical to extreme fire weather conditions are expected to develop this afternoon across portions of western Oklahoma.
Alright, KJ195 went off, but I failed at the recording. So I'm gonna try again, but on
Are we
WXK85.
still waiting on WXK85?
Yeah, that KJ195 already went off. They do it separately for some strange reason. And what is I am
Yeah,
bot
there's
1?
the issues tornado watch. Yeah, that's gonna go over. That's gonna go over because I see Canadian, Cleveland, yeah, McLean, Noble, Oklahoma. Yeah, Oklahoma's in that. So what the fuck?
Yeah, they're in that. My county's in it. Come on, Norman. Finally. My engine's about to go off.
Tornado watch number 149, effective until midnight Central Daylight Time Sunday. This watch includes the following counties in Oklahoma: Canadian, Cleveland, Grady, Kingfisher, Lincoln, Logan, McLean, Oklahoma, and Potawatomi. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes,
Good job!
and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Holy crap!
Southwinds 20 to 30 miles an hour with gusts up to 55 miles an hour. Where portions of central, northern, northwest, southern, southwest.
And the 100 went off.
Yep, my Sanjan went off. And by the way, this is Wilmington EAS on the sword. Alright, let's get rid of this crap.
Wilmington Ohio Production.
Thank you for reminding me of that. Alright, so right now, my 400 exploded. I'm gonna get my radar up. After I'm gonna go share my screen on Discord. Exit. Sorry. Actually, I might need voice talk Paul later. I may need voice tech Paul later. Paradot, I got a bad feeling that,
My hands stop fucking jittering.
Damn. This is a 21 county tornado watch. Let's take a look at Tulsa. Surprised I didn't issue it for Old Fusky. Paradot, do you think this is going to turn to a really bad squall line?
I'm not too sure.
But I don't know why they issued a tornado watch. Because it looks like it's trying to form a line.
God.
These storms are from, alright. I'm about to tell you where these storms are from. It's going from just north. These storms are from just near Okarchi to just south of Goodiebo. Just south of Goodiebo in Mountain View. And then there's a second line from just north of Perry to Marshall. This is not a good situation. This is not a good situation for my state.
All I want to do is get these 5100 working without any problems.
I bet Bay is
guess what? My soldering iron is saying nope.
I bet Bay is getting these. The ones in Minnesota. Yeah. Like freaking crazy.
Most likely they're WDER.
Yeah. Let me go ahead and turn on. Oh my lord! Look at those storms right here. Just south of Des Moines. 60 miles per hour wind gust. Oh, those storms look mean. Those storms in Iowa look mean. And it's going as far down south as freaking Kansas City.
Damn it!
I will be right back.
I cannot get this diode to stay still for the love of fucking God.
And as for you guys, I will stop the video right here. First SBR.
Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, northwestern Logan County in central Oklahoma, southeastern Garfield County in northern Oklahoma until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Kingfisher, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kingfisher, Crescent, Covington, Marshall, Orlando, and Level. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Oh my God!